Howdy everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to be working on, oh my goodness. Well, I'm officially distracted. Seeing this parking lot iceberg here, it makes me wonder how far would a hot piece of steel go if I just dropped it on top? So, let's find out. This snowbank is just over 10 feet tall, and I have chosen a piece of 2-inch square bar that weighs roughly 5 pounds to drop on it. Well, that was frustrating. My phone glitched right as I was walking up the ladder and shut off and didn't record. So I got a new block of steel and we're gonna try it again. That is going. Well, as you can see, our measurement was just under 5 feet depth, so I have to get the steel out. Well, folks, it's been a lot of digging, but I found it. Yeah. Oh, there it is, in all of its glory, that far from the top. And there is block number 2. Got it. Well, thank you guys so much for watching, and it turns out both of the blocks went about 5 feet. This was just such a fun, goofy video to film, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, like, subscribe, and comment down below, and we'll catch you on the next one.